Still by jersey number 5. To Cabarubias. To Tejor. Atas for 3. Very good. Rebound by Wabe. Yes. 2 points. Wabe. Change. Favor. Waslo. Atas for 3. Very good. Rebound by Wabe. Wabe. Spins. Atas for 2. Very good. Bounce. Same ball position. Sabret. Score 30 against 29. Lumina. 17 to shoot. Wabe. He's up. So good. Rebound by jersey number 11. Mabaylan. To Felicita.
Ini sunod.
Felicita. To Waslo. Waslo. Fix. Block by Wabe. 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 Nagmamadali. Yes, 2 points. Wabe. Mabaylan. Pass to Alarde. To jersey number 11. To Felicita. Jump shot. Very good. Rebound by Wabe. To Baby Love. Baby Love. Love pass to Camarbias. Sumobra. CFC Basketball. Mabaylan. Still by Camarbias to Baby Love. To Tejor. Time out rep. Easy 2 points. Tejor. Score 34 against 29. Mabaylan. Deliver play to Alarde. Alarde to jersey number 11. Fakes. Third 2. Again. Rebound by Wabe. Wabe. Pass to jersey number 5 to Caparubias. Caparubias to jersey number 5 again. So good. Yes. 2 points. Caparubias. Alarde. Alarde. Pass to Felicita. Yes, 2 points. Felicita. Pinasa. Sa kontra. Foul. Sablet. Jersey number 5. You committed third personal foul. First team foul. Lumina. Very good. Rebound by Tejor. Tejor. Pass to Baby Love. To Dapatian. To Baby Love. Naligas. To Alarde. To Mabaylan. Short. Rebound by Tejor. Tejor to Baby Love. Baby Love to Wabe. Wabe. Foul in the basket count. Sabret. Jersey number 26. You committed second personal foul, second team foul, CSB. Sabret, yes, 1 point, 1. Waslo. Pass to Piquero. To Alarde. Alarde. To Piquero. Very good. Rebound by Tejor. Tejor. Pass to Wabe. Wabe. Very good. Rebound by Waslo. 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 To Piquero. To Alarde. What's the call ref? To Raven violation. Lumina Basketball. Pass to the Batian. Attempt for 3. Again, rebound by Waslo. Pass to Alarde. Alarde to jersey number 11. Attempt for 2. Yes, 2 points. Jersey number 11. Wabe, long pass to Cabarrubias. Easy 2 points, Cabarrubias. Tiquero. Foul. Jersey number 10, Wabe. You committed second personal foul. Second team foul, Lumina.
Jinjin.
Very good. One point, Tiquero. Baby Love. Pass to Tihor. Tihor to Cabarrubias. Again, lima pa Tihor. Lima pa Ulano. To Alate. To jersey number 11, yes, 2 points. Jersey number 11. Tihor. To Baby Love. To Gabatian. Gabatian. To Cabarrubias. Reverse layup. Again, rebound by Wabe. Wabe. Foul. Who's foul ref? Jersey number 26, Waslo. You committed second personal foul, 13 foul, CSP. Baby Love, attention 3, short. Rebound by Cabarrubias. Could Baby Love again to Tihor. Attention 3, short. Rebound by Ulano. Foul. Jersey number 11, Gabatian. First personal foul, 13 foul, Lumina. Alade. Alade, in play. To Ulano. Fade away. Yes, 2 points, Ulano. Sanalay Pao. Baby Love. 40 seconds. Tihor to Cabarrubias. Fake. To referee. Advance. CSP basketball. Remaining time 35 seconds. 41-40. Lumina. Jersey number 11.
Ayaw na
Pasto
lang.
kontra Cabarrubias.
Ayaw na lang.
Anya pagipasa ka Batian, 2 points sa Batian. Alade. Pupitero. Backpass to Alade. To Waslo. Yes, 2 points. Waslo. 10 seconds. Cabarrubias. Foul. Jersey number 26, Waslo. You committed third personal foul. Warning for penalty. CSB. Remaining time, 8 seconds. Score, 43-42, Lumina. Baby Love to the Batian. Still by jersey number 11. Time for the second quarter.